Across the nation, a silent crisis is unfolding, one that's tearing apart the fabric of our communities. Narcotics, from prescription opioids to illicit drugs, are leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. In this video, we'll explore the scope of the problem, its root causes, and most importantly, how we can work together to address it. Let's start with the facts. According to the CDC, over 100,000 Americans died from drug overdoses in the past year alone. Opioids account for nearly 75% of these deaths. These aren't just numbers, they represent lives cut short, families shattered, and communities left to pick up the pieces. The impact of narcotics extends far beyond the individual. Families are torn apart by addiction, children grow up in unstable environments, often facing trauma that affects them for life. Schools struggle to support students dealing with addiction at home, and local businesses suffer as neighborhoods decline. The ripple effects are profound and far-reaching. So, how did we get here? The roots of this crisis are complex. Overprescription of opioids in the 1990s laid the groundwork for widespread addiction. Today, illicit drugs like fentanyl, often 50 times stronger than heroin, flood our streets. Economic disparities, lack of access to mental health care, and systemic issues further exacerbate the problem. Despite these challenges, there is hope. Communities are fighting back with evidence-based solutions. Prevention programs are educating young people about the dangers of drugs. Treatment centers are providing life-saving care, and recovery support groups are helping individuals rebuild their lives. These efforts are making a difference, but more needs to be done. So, what can we do? First, we must prioritize education and prevention. Understanding the risks of narcotics can save lives. Second, we need to expand access to treatment and recovery services. Addiction is a disease, and it requires medical and social support. Finally, we must advocate for policy changes like stricter regulations on prescription opioids and increased funding for mental health care. Change begins with us. Whether it's supporting local organizations, volunteering your time, or simply spreading awareness, every action counts. Together, we can create a future where our communities are stronger, healthier, and more resilient. The narcotics crisis is one of the greatest challenges of our time, but it's a challenge we can overcome. By working together, we can restore hope, rebuild lives, and create safer, healthier communities for everyone. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's spread awareness and drive meaningful change. Thank you for watching.